2 15Ks, but probably down, he said one. So only one 15K right now. That's just jamming. Damn, look at this motherfucker. All kind of shit going on this motherfucker. JS alternators, that's who I got. That's what's in the Buick. Oh my goodness. A lot of tear ramps going on in this show. A lot of fucking tear ramps. Oh, this Cadillac was beating off the frame a while ago. Dude, you know this shit extreme as fuck. Look at this fucking windshield. You know this shit is stupid extreme. Okay, dunking these nuts. Holy shenanigans. Holy shenanigans. That's a lot of shit going on in there. This whole look like it's brutal. Oh my god. Sit your ass in that seat over there. Jeez, look at the steering wheel. That shit clean. Nah, that shit fucking fully custom. Ain't nothing regular about this motherfucker. Look how much room you got to get your brake and gas pedal. Extreme deal for sure. Switch panels and shit right here. Voltage. He probably just play from this bitch right here. Bass knob right here. Probably just play the shit out of it standing right here. K5 Hurricane. What the fuck is this? Hey, how you doing? God damn, bro. Look at this shit. Holy shit. Look at this motherfucker.
You gotta bust it in, crank back 3 times from left to right.
Holy shit, bro.
Why me think that soldier boy than Superman? Crank that song, now why me you? Crank that song, now why me you? Crank that song, now why? I'm jogging, and if we get the find it, you catch me at your local party, yes I crank it every day. Haters get mad cause I got me some baby ladies.
Bro, look at this shit. God damn. Oh my god. Holy shenanigans. Hey, songs. That's kind of dope. Look at this motherfucker. Whole fucking hot seat over here, bro. He said he won't be able to play it long because the shit already hot. Shit, we got all day. I'm gonna get plenty of footage.
Just to put me together. God is a lion. You want the smoke? I got.
Bro, that shit was fucking brutal. I don't know what. I was not expecting that. It's crazy. Stetson and Terrence. I feel like I've been seeing them all day. I can't. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 8Ks. 4 8Ks on this shit. Crazy, bro. Like for real, for real. Man, this little video car. These little cars with these damn audio bills. US amps. Jesus Christ. Damn. That definitely ain't no 10. That's like a fucking 15 in that door. Or 12. Oh, I can't really see the subs. 218 maybe? This a Cadillac I seen a while ago, beating like a motherfucker. He got dumping this bitch. I think he's sitting in this motherfucker. Damn, look at the crack on this motherfucker. He done fucked this whole trunk up. Look at that damage right there. Cracked the shit out this motherfucker. He got some shit in here, bro. I heard him playing this bitch earlier. Wish he would turn that bitch on so I can shake some. So much shit out here. Okay, Ford Fusion. Trunk going crazy. Trunk going crazy, okay. Bitch say Florida on it. Turn that bitch up, my boy. Somebody way the fuck over there playing loud ass music. Damn, look at this clean Trailblazer. This bitch is nasty, ain't it? Damn. Oh my god. How pretty that is. Even the door panels are done. Oh, that's clean. Two Salt 6Ks. Clean. Bro, it's shit everywhere. You can't even keep up with all these fucking audio bills. So much shit everywhere. I think this riding with the doors open on this motherfucker. God damn. God damn, this shit beating hard as motherfucker. What is this? Stetson again. I can't tell what they are though. 12Ks. Fuck, I can't see shit. Yeah, 12Ks. Easy. sit in this hoe. This nigga finna get 2 demos at once. Man, hold on. What's in this motherfucker? 618? The Jesters? Bro, everybody has the Jesters. Bro, these hoes are slamming. Look at this nigga selling. Nah, that shit's nasty, bro. Got his doors done. Man, that shit's nasty, bro. Fuck. Okay, CA. Really? We've been over at the Griffin over there for a minute. It's all kind of shit at this damn show. Oh, watch yourself. What's up, man? What's going on, brother? What the hell you got going on? Man, come on. Always something is right. I fucking love this build, bro. This hoe is a fan favorite right here, bro. Everybody loves this build. I love it. Nah, this hoe is super dope. It's been a minute since I heard it, bro. If you're gonna be playing it a little later, yeah. Yeah, it's all good. 316Ks. Fuck me. That's just a lot of fucking power, bro. How you been, man? I'm doing good, bro. Working, man. That's it. Staying out the way. Damn, this is nasty too. Sheesh. 6Ks? Oh, 3 6Ks. Dang, bro, that's crazy. Crosses on there. I'm gonna get a photo of this. I have no idea where this video is gonna end or where it's gonna begin. Definitely got a build in this hoe. Oh, it's a Buick Roadmaster. I thought it was Caprice. I'm so confused. It definitely could be a Buick Roadmaster wagon. This looks like a SF Impala. Oh my goodness, look at all that. Tell me I don't want to hear this motherfucker. This thing got the door all the way off. I'm gonna come back to this bitch, bro. We're gonna hear this shit sometime today. Nasty. That's how you know you loud. When you'd rather just hold that shit instead of the fucking dash, making the fucking CD player skip and shit. Look at this big tall motherfucker. feelings. I seen this bitch playing a while ago. 903 boys. Look at this shit. God damn. 3, 6, 7, 8, 815s, 812s. What's going on, bro? Yes, sir.
You bring the beer?
Nah. If it had subs in it, fuck yeah, I would've.
What else did you need?
Huh?
What else did you need?
Fucking anything, bro. At this fucking point, I'm finna put some Walmart subs in that bitch, bro.
You got 15s in there?
Yeah, 6 of them.
I wish you'd have said something on the bottom.
What the fuck?
I got 30 of these.
30 of these? Yeah. Are these 15s?
Yeah, if you'd have said something, nigga, I would have brought something.
How much is this?
Huh?
How much for 6 of them?
For 6 of them? Let me think. I'll hit you back on Facebook.
Nah, for sure, for sure,
I mean,
for
we ain't
sure.
gonna do nothing this weekend.
Nah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, I got 30 of them hoes. I put my big stuff out for this show.
For real?
Yeah, I got
This yours?
Yeah.
For real? Bro, I seen this bitch playing a while ago. I'm like, holy shit.
Here.
I want to get video of this, huh, bro? Now you straight.
I had my A. So I got 2 3Ks on my fucking House of Miz.
You got what?
I got 2 3Ks on my House of Miz. And I've been playing for like an hour and a half straight.
Damn.
Full song demos, bro.
Holy shit. I got you. This nigga said if he knew that I needed subs, he would have brought 6 of them. That's what that community does for you, my boy. They gonna look out for you. This nigga got, oh, you got a
Hey, hold up. Came.
Yo.
Monster idiots. By you, baby. Raising the 80s. Jumbo deep.
God damn. Bro, these motherfucker beating off the frame off this motherfucker. Brah, brah, brah. God damn. Let me count them again. 3, 6, 7, 8, 15. 903 boys. Bro, look at this shit. This bitch on 4Gs. That's how health 26. Think so. Some big ass 26s. I seen the build in this motherfucker. Okay, let's start with the doors. Okay, clean door. Oh bro. Look at that floor on this motherfucker. OMG. Look at this shit. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's fucking all kind of shit out here. Looks like the sun visors is done. A-pillars. No, this shit is nice. For sundown somethings. 18s maybe. Damn, look how pretty that is. US amp or audio, okay. Clean. Clean inside and out. And them bitches like 28s or 30 shit. Look at this motherfucker. That bitch is clean. Look how wide that motherfucker is. Fuck me. Alright, still doing row by row. I have no idea what I'm doing on content. Hey, even the little guys gotta have some love. 210s maybe? Essays. It's a clean little install. Yeah, this shit kinda dope right here, bro. Little speakers on there. Okay, Sundown. I think I heard this motherfucker playing a while ago. Woo! Boy, look at them goodies. And a goddamn small Beamer. Damn, look at this shit. Salt 8K. Shit clean. Oh, multiple Salt 8Ks. 3 Salt 8Ks. Holy shit. Yeah, not one Salt K, fucking 3 of them bitches. Okay, door panel's done. And look at that. Sundown amps. Sundown subs. Sundown door speakers. God damn, they got a fan underneath the hood. It's a big ass fan. A clean little Beamer. BMW. What else we got around this motherfucker? That's where they compete at right here. Run them numbers up all day. Competition. This bitch say 160 certified. What is this in this motherfucker? Can't really see in there, but something in there definitely. See how you gangsta nigga. This that build I seen a while ago. Pulling in here with the doors open. Let me see. Okay, on the 8Ks, man. Look at this fool got a subwoofer in the back seat. Damn, bro, that's a big ass box. Oh, shit. 118? Oh, 115, really? Holy shit.
If I take you up, bitch, that's a
chance of having a little something. 115.